Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a lookalike audience in Meta Ads Manager, one of the most powerful ways to reach new people who are similar to your existing customers or followers. Ready? Let's get started. First, log in to your Meta Ads Manager. From the left-hand menu, click All Tools and then select Audiences. Now click the Create Audience button and choose Lookalike Audience. Next, you'll need to select a source. This could be a custom audience you already have, such as website visitors, people who engaged with your Facebook page, or a customer list. For example, I'll select my Facebook page followers as the source. Then under Audience Location, choose the country or region where you want to find similar people. For example, the United States. Now you'll see a slider for audience size. A 1% lookalike means people most similar to your source audience. As you increase to 2%, 3%, or more, the audience becomes larger but slightly less similar. For most campaigns, I recommend starting with a 1% lookalike for better accuracy and relevance. Once everything looks good, click the Create Audience button. Meta will now analyze your source and find new users who share similar characteristics, such as interests, demographics, and online behavior. It may take a few minutes for your lookalike audience to be ready. After that, you can use this lookalike audience in your campaigns to expand your reach and attract high-quality leads who are more likely to convert. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a digital marketing tip from Digital Growth Tutor.